Hello, good afternoon, everyone, also on my behalf, and welcome to our Open Research Workshop. I'm Nele Belie, professor at Ghent University and Durability and Sustainability of Concrete Structures, and I'm the network coordinator of the Smart Things Marie Curie International Training Network. So it's a pleasure for me to welcome you today on our first workshop, and actually Smart Things is focusing on self-healing, multifunctional and advanced repair technologies in cementitious systems. The actual research part of our project has been running since the second half of 2020, and we have 15 PhD students, early stage researchers, who are actively working on Smart Things. Of course, we have several training objectives within Smart Things, being to provide a PhD training program to our 15 fellows, so that at the end they can accomplish a PhD, and they will be trained during this training program in the topics of self-healing concrete, advanced local repair systems, modeling of the self-healing systems, and also prediction of durability, service life, and sustainability. And in addition, they will learn a lot of entrepreneurial skills. We have, of course, also some scientific objectives. That includes the development and modeling of innovative self-healing strategies to substantiate and model also the durability of self-healed concrete and repaired systems, and to prove the eco-efficiency by life cycle assessment. We can see the different topics more clearly on this schematic overview. So in the first work package, there is a focus on self-healing concrete, and different self-healing methodologies are applied to obtain self-healing. This includes vascular networks, microcapsules and macrocapsules, bacteria, and all this is combined with a proper mix design so that good, fresh and hardened concrete properties would be combined with a high self-healing efficiency. In a second work package, we focus more on local repair. So we will be studying self-healing repair mortars, self-healing injection grouts, and a self-healing concrete cover on top of the rebars. This will be combined with some multifunctionality, for instance, self-sensing. And in both work packages, we will also include modeling of self-healing and of those self-repair systems. In the third work package on durability, service life and sustainability, we are then more focusing on the actual applications. So we will study these self-healing concrete and repair techniques under cyclic and impact loading in real extreme conditions, for instance, including very cold or warm climates, prone to chloride-induced corrosion, like in marine environments, and so on. This will all be properly assessed as regarding the effect on service life design, and also the eco-efficiency will be quantified by life cycle assessment. Of course, our research should finally result in some applications, and to bring those to the market, we will also focus on the proper business models for bringing such technologies closer to valorization. So this is actually an overview of all the ESRs that have been recruited on our project, and you will also hear several of them later today during our workshop. In the Smart Things program, we have a huge team of companies and research institutes. So we're really going from R&D up to the market, and also considering different topics. So depending on the institute, they are more expert in processes and modeling, development of self-healing agents, concrete technology, structural design, or durability and sustainability. Your host today is actually Ghent University, and normally we would have had this workshop on site, and then you would have been able to also enjoy the nice city of Ghent, a genuine student city with over 70,000 students. And actually there are 3 different faculties that are actively involved in the Smart Things project, being the Faculty of Engineering and Architecture, Bioscience Engineering, and Economics and Business Administration. Now, finally, I also want to shortly introduce RILEM to you, since this workshop has been co-sponsored by RILEM, the International Union of Testing and Research Labs for Materials and Structures. And actually, I happen to be also the chair of the RILEM Technical Activities Committee, so it's also a great pleasure for me to introduce you to RILEM if you would not be aware yet what this organization is doing. RILEM is a worldwide organization with over 2,400 members in 90 different countries, and they are organizing a lot of technical exchanges, committee meetings, international workshops, PhD workshops, and also twice per year they have a conference being the annual week and the RILEM Spring Convention. There are about 40 technical committees active in RILEM in 6 different clusters. And in these technical committees, experts on specific topics collaborate in a period of 5 to 7 years to produce recommendations, state-of-the-art reports, and to exchange information. So the first 4 clusters here are actually related to concrete structures. All the results of the RILEM technical committees are published in book series and also in the RILEM flagship journal Materials and Structures. There, all the recommendations produced by the technical committees are published. And then more recently, RILEM also installed an open access platform with RILEM technical letters. More information can always be found on the RILEM website. You can also even download the mobile app. And on the website, you, amongst others, find the RILEM technical report with a description on all the different technical committees. So feel free to have a look there if there are any interesting ones for you to join. Like I mentioned, twice per year there are large RILEM events, and the next one will be the RILEM Annual Week, the 75th week, which will take place in Mérida, Mexico. I also want to emphasize specifically the benefits for young members, since in RILEM they are integrated in a worldwide network and get to interact with leading scientists. They can join the technical committees and follow one of the many sponsored PhD courses. And since last year, there also is a separate RILEM Youth Council where the young members can interact more with each other. And the registration fees have also been a lot reduced and are now only 25 euros for young members. Finally, I also want to mention on behalf of the European Commission that there is new actions being taken regarding the European Green Deal. And actually our project officer has asked to spread this news. And with SmartThings, we think we can actively contribute to this Green Deal because in our project, we are considering building and renovating in an energy and resource efficient way. And we can also accelerate a shift to sustainable and smart mobility. Because with self-healing concrete and repair mortars, we should be able to increase the service life and hence reduce the use of raw materials, reduce waste, reduce traffic downtime, and also avoid a lot of carbon dioxide emissions. So please have a look at this link to find out more about this European Green Deal. And you can even register to take specific actions like becoming a Climate Pact ambassador, take a climate-friendly action, or register a satellite event. So that's all for the welcome words. So I hope you will enjoy our workshop. And please also, if you want later on to stay informed of other activities of SmartThings, subscribe to our newsletter. There is a link available on our website.